Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to enable or disable the in-game Steam overlay. Go ahead and get yourself logged into your Steam account. Once you've done that, in the upper left hand corner, go ahead and click on Steam to open up the drop down menu. You're going to go to settings. From there, click on the in-game tab, and by default you may have the enable Steam overlay while in-game selection selected. So go ahead and deselect by checking on the box to disable. Once you've done so, you can hit OK, or conversely, if you want to enable it, all you have to do is click on OK, and it'll instantly update your system settings. So when you go in your game, the in-game overlay will either be enabled or disabled to your liking. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.